Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete YouTube search history on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete YouTube search history on phone, first open up your YouTube app, and after opening a YouTube app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button over here and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to proceed to delete your search history on YouTube, tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land on this interface. Now in order to proceed from over here, we'll be required to tap or select the option where it says your data in YouTube. Tap on your data in YouTube option over here just below the manage all history and this kind of interface will appear. Now if you scroll down a little bit and you can see guys, this is your YouTube watch history, whereas if you scroll down a little bit more, there is the YouTube search history where it says your recent history of your searches will be available over here on the YouTube search history. Now in order to delete your YouTube search history guys, tap on manage your YouTube search history over here and let's go. And on this interface guys, let's dismiss this. All of your search history on YouTube will be over here, which you have searched and watched, or like this over here guys. Now in order to proceed to delete your search history over here, you can see the delete button available for us over here. If you want to delete a custom range of search history on YouTube, or if you want to delete just a particular search history on your YouTube, you can see guys on this interface these are the particular searched videos over here. Now in order to delete it, you can see your close or a cross icon at the top right for each of these videos. Tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of these searches and this kind of interface will appear. Tap on delete and that search history will be deleted like this. You can do this for any search history you want. Let's do this and it will be deleted. Or if you want to delete a search a custom time, then tap on the delete button over here and then this kind of interface will appear where you can choose to delete the search history of today, a custom range and all time. Tap on it and the search history will be deleted like this guys. And there guys, this is how to delete YouTube search history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.